Construction companies are under a lot of pressure due to a variety of factors, including stricter regulations, more exacting project specifications, and the urgent need to foster a positive business environment. It has been shown that some pressures have a significant positive or negative impact on company compliance when compared to other factors. Consequently, even though past studies have identified the causes of rule-breaking in the construction industry, more research is necessary to determine whether the unique pressures these sector representatives face in their roles as representatives of project-based organizations cause them to break the law. This video demonstrates the ways in which three distinct types of pressure, project, regulatory, and reputational, affect compliance attitudes in the construction sector. This video also discussed the moderating effects of the three organizational ethical climates found within these links: law and code, instrumental OECs, and caring OECs. Furthermore, compliance attitudes are positively impacted by regulatory pressure. This relationship is positively moderated by OEC code and law. Moreover, compliance attitudes benefit from reputational pressure. The stronger the bond between the two, the more sympathetic the OEC comes across. By outlining the reasons behind the legal violations of construction companies and providing innovative suggestions for future compliance governance schemes, a new perspective on pressure in the construction industry is offered by this video. In order to address potential pressure-related reasons for rule violations, we offer construction companies advice on how to set up appropriate OECs. Authenticated compliance checking, ACC, continues to be problematic for the construction sector. The video gives a new perspective by suggesting applying the theoretical and computational developments in duty obligation. The construction industry's compliance checking issue is addressed by duty obligation logic and natural language processing. A hierarchy of normative concepts, interconceptual relationships, and duty rules expressed through logic make up the paradigm. Formal competency questions, automatic redundancy and consistency checks, expert evaluation, and application-oriented evaluation were all used to assess the deontology. Using the deontic model, plans for mitigating stormwater pollution were manually examined to ensure they complied with relevant standards. Occasionally, policy insubordination affects the construction industry, impeding government goals and causing infrastructure projects to take longer to complete. There is a long history of non-compliance in public organizations, which manifests as poor quality work, inept personnel management, wasteful resource usage, and a lack of professionalism. Multiple restructurings have resulted from this, all aimed at improving service delivery. Even yet, there are still problems with compliance. By highlighting the elements that affect public infrastructure construction projects' compliance with a public procurement regulatory framework, this video seeks to encourage economic development. Adherence to the regulatory framework overseeing public infrastructure projects has been found to be positively impacted by three factors: staff sanctions, the weakness of the framework governing public procurement, and the readiness of contractors to withstand non-compliance. However, operation monitoring, familiarity, and professionalism have no beneficial impact on compliance. Therefore, our investigation enhances construction management by showing that contractors' resistance, perceived inefficiency, and penalties, all of which significantly worsen compliance with the laws governing public procurement. In conclusion, additional concepts will continue to be hosted by Consumer Trading Organization Limited.